Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion, Crazy Coupon Cravers. I'm very blessed to be here and I'm very blessed you tuned in. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all your shares. I couldn't do this video without you guys, so I'm very blessed to be here. And I plan on doing more videos. I've been busy and then I fell at work last week, so I haven't been doing as much videos, but I will try to do weekly videos every week. I was going to put Puss Puss in this last video, or this video, but then we were watching the football game, and then my family wanted to take me to my mom's. That way they could do it during halftime. So hopefully I'll do a CVS or a Walmart or Bottle Hall, or if nothing else, another Walgreens. That way I can put Puss Puss in it. So I know some people are missing Puss Puss, and she's happy to see me when I'm home. So, but thank you for tuning in. We ended up going to Walgreens. This is on sale for $4.50. I had a $3 digital. I also bought the Colgate toothbrush, and it's $4.50, and I had a $3 digital. So I paid $9, but then I had $6 in coupons. So I paid $3. You can use Walgreens cash if you don't use a booster. But then I got $3 in register reward back, and it looks like that. And then I ended up, if you don't have the coupons or you want to do it multiple times, you also can go to Shopium, or you can also go to Alexa and you get your money back. So I thought that was a fantastic deal. I bought this Cottonelle, and it's on sale for $4.99. I ended up having a $2 digital, so I paid $2.99 for this, and that is a good deal. So if you like Cottonelle, that is a good deal on Cottonelle. And if you don't have the coupon or you want to stock up, go to Shopium for another $2 and go to Alexa for $2. So that is a good deal on that. I bought these. There's only a $3 digital. You can mix or match. You can buy the Gillette Venus too. These are $3.99. It's buy one get one half price, so it's like $5.98. There's a $3 digital, and then you get $4 in register reward back. So this makes it $1 moneymaker. And this is the coupon. Or you can buy these for $3.79, buy one get one half price, and then use the $3 digital. And like I said, it's only good for one time, and then you get a little over $1 moneymaker on this, so you can mix or match. So I thought that was a good deal. Then I bought the Gain products, $5.49. I had $1 digital. $5.49. I had $1 digital. $5.49. $1 digital. And you can use the $1 digital either on this or the firework beads. So either way, you can mix or match. And then $5.49 and $1. So you pay $21.96. I had $4 in digitals, so it made it $18.96. And then I got a $5 register reward back, so it makes it like $12.96. So that is a good deal on Gain if you like Gain products. So that was a good deal. I bought this Starry. It's $2. I ended up having $1 digital on ibotta, so it made it $1. And I also bought a Mountain Dew, and they also have $1 rebate on ibotta, so it made it $1 for the Mountain Dew. But my son wanted to drink it, so I don't have it. But that was my Walgreens haul. I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you give shares. Just comment down below. Tell me how your day is, or if you have any questions. I'm here to help you guys. And I will be planning on doing more videos. Thank you guys. But I ended up paying $31.93 subtotal, $35.07. I got $12 back in register rewards. I had the 10 off of 40. For some reason, the 10 off of 40 did not, or $10 Walgreens cash off of 40 didn't come, so they ended up giving me $10 in Walgreens cash. So I have a fantastic store that does things like that. So altogether, so 12 and then 10, so 22, and then I got 2 back from Ibotta from buying the Starry and the Mountain Dew. So I ended up paying $25, 13, $24, and then I ended up paying $6 for everything, guys, and that is a fantastic deal, especially for Gain products, Continental, Colgate, and shaving needs. I think that is a fantastic deal. And if I can do it, guys, you guys can do it too. I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you subscribe if you haven't. And if you have any questions, feel free to just comment down below. And God bless you guys, and thank you for all the prayers for my mom. She's doing better. I mean, she's weak and tired and stuff, but she's 92. And like I said, cherish those times because you never promised another day. But thank you for tuning in, and I can't do this video without you guys. Give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe. God bless you, and have a blessed night. Thank you, guys. Bye.